Parking brake off. Take off.
Stabilized.
Manual flex 55 SRS. Runway auto thrust blue.
Checked. Power set.
Checked.
100.
Checked.
V1, rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up. Nav green.
Check.
Autopilot 1.
Check. Landing gear is up. Master caution, engine 1 failed.
Manual toggle.
Check.
I have control and communications.
You have control and communications.
Control Air Portugal 01 with an engine failure performing engine out SID. Heading green.
Check.
ECAM actions.
Engine 1 failed. Engine mode selector, ignition. Ignition. Thrust lever 1, idle.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Idle.
If no engine relight, parameters check, no relight. Engine master 1, off. Confirm.
Confirm.
Off. If damage, N2 reading 0. Confirm damage.
Damage confirmed.
Engine 1 fire push button push. Confirm.
Confirm.
Push. Agent 1 discharge. Discharged. Shut down.
Standby ECAM actions. Vertical speed pushed. Vertical speed 0.
Check.
Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps at 1. S speed.
Flap 0.
Speed check. Flaps at 0.
Altitude pull. Green dot checked. Managed. Thrust. MCT. Thrust MCT. Open climb. Auto thrust wide.
Check.
Pack 2 on.
Pack 2 is on.
Continue ECAM actions.
Shut down. Full crossfeed on. On. Avoid icing conditions.
Checked.
Engine 1 failed. Clear.
Clear.
Engine 1 start valve fault. Start valve not open. There is damage on engine 1. Engine 1 start valve fault. Clear.
Clear.
Amber, land as soon as possible.
Checked.
Secondary failures, air bleed, loss of bleed 1 and pack 1. Cross bleed is closed. Bleed 2 supplying pack 2. Air bleed clear.
Clear.
Electrical, loss of generator 1, generator 2 supplying AC 1 and AC 2. Galley is shed.
APU master switch on.
APU master switch is on. Electrical clear.
Clear.
Hydraulic, loss of green engine 1 pump. Green system pressurized by the PTU. Hydraulic clear.
Clear.
Status.
Standby status. Read. After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist. Landing gear up, flaps. Retracted patch. 1 on. Baro ref.
1013 set.
Set. After takeoff checklist complete.
Read status.
Status. Avoid icing conditions. Cat 3 single only, inoperative systems, wing anti-ice, Cat 3 dual, engine 1 bleed, pack 1, main galley, generator 1, green engine 1 pump. Status clear.
Clear?
ECAM actions completed.
Start the APU.
Starting the APU.
I have control, you have communications.
You have control, I have communications.